What's up guys, Ivan here. So this is unplanned video, and yeah, I was scheduled on the repair on my windshield wiper. I will show you from a highway, normal thing. Maybe from the outside will be better. My car got bigger damage. Here is that crack. Yeah, this is normal, right? But check out this. There was a hailstorm and my car has this like a golf balls damage because there was a huge hailstorm. So yeah, first time in my life to have a hailstorm. So I'm just going to Mercedes because they need to change the windshield, and as you can see here is also the hail. So I will talk to the guy if it's possible to repair or was the damage. But the glasses are fine because I saw on the internet that the glass on some car was damaged as well. Here is also like a hail. So yeah, sad to see this happen. So the car is drivable, it's fine, but it's cosmetic damage. So we'll see what they do, and I will update you guys. It's a lot of maybe like 20 these damages, so it's everywhere basically. So yeah, I will update you and let you know what exactly happened. Yeah guys, sad moment, but nobody was hurt, like a person only thing. So I'm sure insurance will cover this. So yeah guys, so that's it, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.